The ViprTech Reaper 3.0 liquid-cooled PC is packed with power, designed to deliver top-notch performance for gaming, video editing, and business tasks. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. With the AMD Ryzen 7 7700 processor, it can achieve turbo speeds of up to 5.3 GHz, ensuring that everything runs smoothly even under heavy workloads. This PC features a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super 12GB graphics card, ensuring high-quality visuals, whether you're gaming in 4K or rendering complex videos. In addition, the 32GB DDR5 RAM operates at a blazing fast 6400 MHz, making multitasking effortless. You'll experience incredibly fast boot-up times, thanks to the 2TB NVMe SSD, which is up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive. If you need more space, you can easily add additional storage. The system also comes equipped with an 800W Gold-Rated Power Supply Unit, PSU, ensuring your components get the power they need without any hiccups. The 240mm RGB Liquid-Cooling System helps to maintain optimal temperatures, even during intense gaming sessions. Not only does it keep the system running efficiently, but it also adds a visual flair with its RGB lighting. Plus, with the RGB lighting-enabled case, you can show off your PC's internals in style, controlled by a button on the case. This PC is more than just a powerhouse for gaming. It's built to handle video editing, rendering, streaming, and virtual reality (VR) applications without missing a beat. Whether you're working on content creation or diving into the latest AAA games, the ViprTech Reaper 3.0 is ready to perform. Every ViprTech PC is handcrafted in the USA and undergoes extensive stress testing before being shipped to ensure reliability. Plus, you can rest easy with a free 1-year warranty, ensuring you have the support you need if anything goes wrong. If you're looking for a top-tier gaming and productivity machine that can handle everything you throw at it, the ViprTech Reaper 3.0 liquid-cooled PC is a great choice. Don't forget, you'll find the link to this product in the description below.